Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a honeydew melon milkshake smoothie. So stay tuned. We're going to start from the beginning and I'm going to show you how I cut the honeydew melon. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so now that we got our melon cut, we're gonna put a cup of milk into the blender. If you prefer a thicker shake, use about 1/4 cup instead. And now we got our frozen banana, one banana in there. I'm using an overripe banana. And now we can add in our melon that we just cut. And we're gonna add in 2 to 3 scoops of ice cream. And last but not least, honey. About 1 tablespoon of honey to sweeten it up in there. And now we want to blend this on a low setting. And here's our melon drink blended together. Alright, we can check this out. And this is our drink. So if you want it thicker, just add less milk in there. Now let's pour this into our jar. And there you have it. And if you want the drink very chilled, I'd suggest adding ice in there. Or you can freeze the melon fruit first. And we can top this drink off with some fresh honeydew melon slices to enhance the look. And now it's ready to be served. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.